25 Repurposing empty toilet paper rolls, unique, creative, and budget-friendly home ideas. Idea number 1, Drawer Organizer. Use several rolls vertically glued to a flat base to create compartments for pencils, markers, and brushes. Wrap each roll with patterned paper or fabric for a tidy look. Label front edges for quick access. Place near your drawing table so pencils are upright and visible. It keeps tips from breaking and makes cleanup fast. Idea number 2, Cable Management. Flatten a roll slightly, cut small slits at the rim, and thread charging cables through to prevent tangles. Bundle multiple rolls in a box or attached to the inside of a drawer with adhesive to separate chargers, USBs, and headphones. Mark lengths or device names so you grab the right cable without rummaging. Idea number 3, Wrap the ribbon. Slide ribbon spools onto rolls to stop them from unraveling. Insert a toothpick through the roll and ribbon center to keep tension, or cut a small slit near the rim to tuck the ribbon end. Store several wrapped rolls in a shoebox for neat ribbon organization and easy access while wrapping gifts. Idea number 4, Jewelry Organizer. Line rolls horizontally inside a shallow box to store bracelets and watches without tangling. For rings, cut rolls into short sections and nest them in a tray. Wrap fabric around each roll to protect delicate pieces. This keeps small jewelry visible and prevents scratching when stored in drawers. Idea number 5, Makeup Organizers. Stand rolls upright in a tray and use them to store mascaras, eyeliners, lipsticks, and brushes by category. Glue rolls of varying heights for different product sizes. Wrap with decorative paper or waterproof material so spills clean easily, and label sections for morning and evening routines. Idea number 6, Garage of Toy Car. Create toy car parking by gluing a grid of rolls to a wooden board. Each roll is a parking bay for a single car. Paint lanes and numbers on the board for playtime organization. This compact garage keeps cars upright and makes cleanup into a game children enjoy. Idea number 7, DIY Organizers. Combine rolls into custom drawer dividers. Glue rolls side by side to the length of a drawer to separate socks, ties, or craft tools. Secure ends with elastic bands while glue dries. Adjust roll count and layout for any drawer size to create low-cost, flexible compartments. Idea number 8, Movable Organizer. Attach rolls to a cardboard base and add a handle to make a portable craft caddy. Use different roll heights for scissors, pens, and glue sticks. Lightweight and easy to carry, this organizer moves from table to table and stores flat when not in use, ideal for small spaces. Idea number 9, Desk Organizers. Glue groups of rolls together into modular towers for sticky notes, clips, and pens. Stack and secure with duct tape or a decorative sleeve so modules can be rearranged. Place near your computer for quick access and to minimize desktop clutter while keeping frequently used items visible. Idea number 10, Art Supply Organizers. Create a wall-mounted rack by gluing rolls onto a wooden plank horizontally. Insert brushes, paint tubes, and palette knives. Mount at eye level to save desk space. Coat the plank with a sealant if you use wet paints. Label sections by color or medium to speed up project setup. Idea number 11. Safety for sharp knife. Slide a roll over blade ends before storing knives in a drawer to prevent accidental cuts. For larger knives, use 2 rolls taped together to fit the blade length. This inexpensive sheath protects hands and reduces the risk of dulling blades when they rub other utensils. Idea number 12. Pyramid organizer. Stack rolls in a pyramid shape and glue them for a freestanding organizer useful for small bottles, nail polishes, or spices. Paint or wrap the exterior to match kitchen or bathroom decor. The pyramid is stable and offers angled access to each item for quick selection. Idea number 13. Construct shelf. Create a lightweight shelf by bundling several rolls side by side, securing them with tape and glue, and capping ends with thin plywood. Mount on a wall for lightweight objects like spices, small plants, or figurines. Reinforce with brackets if holding heavier items to ensure safety. Idea number 14. Bathroom organizer. Line a shallow tray with vertical rolls to hold toothbrushes, razors, and makeup brushes. Use waterproof wrapping for durability and label each roll for family members. This keeps items upright and hygienic while maximizing small sink counter space. Idea number 15. DIY basket. Weave strips of paper or fabric around rolls arranged in a circular pattern to form a small basket. Seal seams with glue and add a rolled handle. Great for holding keys, coins, or craft scraps. This basket is decorative and fully customizable to your color scheme. Idea number 16. Neatly store wrapping paper. Use a long, reinforced tube made from several glued rolls to store leftover wrapping paper or posters. Cap the ends and stand upright in a closet. The tube prevents creases and keeps long paper rolls organized and easy to retrieve. Idea number 17. Scrunchies and hairpins organizer. Cut rolls into short rings and place them upright in a shallow box to hold scrunchies around the rolls and pins tucked into the gaps. This method separates small items, prevents tangles, and makes it quick to find matching accessories in the morning. Idea number 18. Trash bag organizer. Stuff a roll with folded trash bags and push them into a countertop drawer or cabinet door pocket. Pull a bag from the roll when needed. It keeps garbage bags contained and prevents the bulky boxes from taking up cupboard space. Idea number 19. Scarf organizers. Thread scarves through several connected rolls or loop a scarf through a single reinforced roll to hang in a closet. Use multiple rolls on a hanger to keep scarves visible and untangled. This saves drawer space and makes outfit matching faster. Idea number 20. Tong organizer. Mount a roll vertically on a wall inside a kitchen cabinet to store tongs and other long utensils upright. Cut one end to create a small opening for handles. This keeps utensils separated, dries them when wet, and prevents jostling in crowded drawers. Idea number 21, Craft Vinyl Organizer. Roll vinyl scraps around larger diameter tubes made from multiple TP rolls taped together to prevent creases. Store vertically in a box or stand in a bin, and label each roll by material or color. This protects delicate vinyl and simplifies measuring and cutting. Idea number 22, Cable Organizer. Color code several rolls and label each with device names, then store them in a drawer or box so each cable has its own roll. For travel, slide a roll per cable into a small pouch to prevent tangles and speed up packing. Idea number 23, Hanging Wall Decor Storage Tubes. Mount several rolls vertically on a decorative board and hang it on the wall. Use the tubes to store wrapping paper tubes, knitting needles, or rolled posters. This converts wall space into storage and doubles as an artful installation. Idea number 24, Mini Seed Starter Pots for Gardening. Cut rolls into 5 to 7 cm sections, fill with potting mix, and plant seeds. Place the sections in a shallow tray. When seedlings are ready, plant the whole roll in the ground. The cardboard decomposes naturally. Label each pot with seed type for organized planting. Idea number 25, Craft Station Material Sorters. Glue rolls into a segmented tray to sort beads, buttons, googly eyes, and small embellishments. Use removable lids or a clear cover to prevent spills. This low-cost sorter keeps tiny supplies separated and makes craft sessions more efficient. Idea number 26, Small cords or charger holders. Create a travel cord roll by threading a coiled cable through a slit in a roll and tucking ends into notches. For home, mount labeled rolls on a pegboard so chargers hang neatly and are easy to grab without unplugging multiple devices. If you enjoyed these budget-friendly ideas, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more practical DIY projects.